Do you want to make Minecraft memes like this, this, or this? Too bad. It's too hard. But I'm going to show you the easy, fun way to do that. Download the pack, drag it in After Effects. Make a new comp of the footage you're putting in Minecraft. Now you have two options. Manually cut out everything, or use the RotoBrush tool. Double click the layer, and then use the RotoBrush tool to roughly cut around footage. Hold down Alt, and then move your cursor to what you want to delete. Do this in 5-second intervals until the end of your comp. Once you're done with that, extend all of these things forward. Now look at your animation. This is pretty garbage, but I did it beforehand. You are now done with the hard part. Now we just have to make it Minecrafty. In Minecraft, change your FOV Quake Pro, and then press F1 and F2. Press F1 again, and you see that you have saved a screenshot. Bring your footage into a new comp. Track motion. Put it where you want to put it, and then analyze forward. When it's done, create a new null. Edit target, the null we created, and then apply. Drag the screenshot above the footage, and then parent it with the pick whip to the null. Now our screenshot moves with the null. Maybe scale it up a bit. Copy the screenshot and the null into our previous comp, and bring it below the footage. Now we're done with almost everything, we just have to add in the little details to make it look better. First add in the item bar, and then key it with key light. Scale it to your liking. Add some sound effects and the stuff from the pack, and bada bing bada boom, you're done.